Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2007 Mazda 6 Classic Hatch, stock reference number 5562. This shape runs from the 7th month 2005 through to the 2nd month 2008. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, radiator grille, front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left guard has no damage, bonnet has no damage. Left power door mirror, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right front door has one small dent, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heating control, 6-stack CD player, display screen, top glove box, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.